8 behaviors that make toxic people lose control. Toxic people do not lose control because we argue with them. They lose control when we stop reacting, when we protect our peace, and when we grow silently. Silence confuses them, boundaries scare them, and peace irritates them. In this video, we will learn 8 simple but powerful behaviors that naturally make toxic people lose control without fighting or explaining. The 8 behaviors, main points. Behavior 1. Stop reacting emotionally. Toxic people feed on your anger, frustration, and sadness. When you stop reacting, they feel helpless because silence removes their control. Calmness is a form of power and shows emotional maturity. Behavior 2. Set clear boundaries without explanation. Boundaries decide what behavior you accept and what you walk away from. Do not explain your boundaries. The more you explain, the more toxic people manipulate and cross limits. Boundaries are shown through actions like leaving a conversation or reducing contact. Behavior 3. Stop sharing your plans and progress. Toxic people want information to judge, compare, or discourage you. Growing silently protects your vision from negativity and secret competition. Mentally strong people share results, not plans. Behavior 4. Stop explaining yourself. Explanations give toxic people something to attack, twist, and manipulate. You do not owe anyone an explanation for protecting your peace or changing priorities. Short, firm responses like, "I'm not comfortable with that," are more powerful than long speeches. Behavior 5. Become emotionally unavailable to drama. Toxic people survive on chaos. When you stay neutral and detached, they lose interest. Drama is a trap to make you lose logic. Calmness disarms it. Choosing mental safety over emotional chaos is a sign of strength. Behavior 6. Stop seeking validation and approval. Toxic people use your need for approval to control and manipulate you. Mentally strong people validate themselves based on their own values. When you stop needing approval, toxic people lose their hold on you. Behavior 7. Become consistent, not reactive. Consistency in your behavior, staying calm, polite, and firm, removes their strategy to trigger you. Do not match their negative energy. Stay steady in both good and bad moments. Consistent boundaries teach people where their access ends. Behavior 8. Focus on your growth and move forward quietly. This is the most powerful behavior. Growth makes toxic people lose complete relevance in your life. Success doesn't need an announcement. Let your results be your voice. Do not fight toxic people. Outgrow them. Conclusion. You do not need to fight toxic people, explain yourself, or prove anything. Protect your peace, set your boundaries, and grow silently. Silence and self-respect are your real power. Like and subscribe to the channel.